Hi, this is Dr. Fast here. In this video I will show you this car dash camera. This one is a very compact one. The model number on this is the Mini 0806S. This dash cam uses an Ambarella A7 chip with a 135-degree wide-angle lens. It also has a built-in GPS and night vision recording. So let's open this up and I'll show you what the dash cam looks like. Here's the user manual. And here's the dash camera. Here's a GPS antenna. Some stick-on clips. Inside this bag are two mounting plates and double-sided tape. Here's a DC power cable and a USB cable. Here's a look at everything you get with this dash cam. So let's take a closer look at this car dash camera. On the front we have the camera lens. Again, this is a 135-degree wide-angle lens, and with this dash cam you can record in 1080p, 2160p, or 720p. It also has HDR or high dynamic range for low light nighttime recording. This dash cam uses a supercapacitor as a backup power source instead of a rechargeable battery, and that's nice because with rechargeable batteries, after a few years they might die. Next to the camera is the speaker. Now on the right side, this is the mount for the GPS antenna. You can actually rotate this 150 degrees. At the bottom, we have the HDMI output. Over here is the microSD memory card slot. This camera supports a maximum of 128 GB of memory size. At the top, we have the microphone. This is the micro USB connector for the power. Over here is the audio and video output jack. Looking at the back of the unit, we have three LED status lights. The top one is the power LED, middle one is a record LED, and the bottom one is a GPS LED. On the right we have the up select, down select, and the OK select button. On this side we have the power button. So here's a GPS antenna, also serve as the windshield mount, and the way you install this onto the dash cam is simply slide this right on top right here. On this side we have the micro USB connector to power up the dash cam, and on top is where you place the double-sided tape. Now if you find the dash cam to be angled too much to the left or to the right, it also comes with these wedge plates. This one is a 4-degree wedge plate, and this is a 2-degree wedge plate. Comes with additional screws. Install the new plates, and then put the double-sided tape on here, and put this onto the windshield. The power cable that you see here is 11 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the top headliner down to your center console. And you simply plug this side with the micro USB connector onto the windshield mount where the GPS antenna is, and then plug the other end into your vehicle. Also, don't forget to install the memory card. Once the dash cam is powered on, the recording will begin automatically. That's indicated by the flashing red light right here, also at the bottom right hand corner right here. Now if you want to stop the recording, press the middle button right here, and that'll stop the recording. Now while it's in standby mode, if you press and hold the up select button, you'll go into the setup menu. First item is video resolution. Here you can change the resolution of the video recording. By default it's set to 2560 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Next item down is video quality, fine, normal, or super fine. Photo resolution, photo quality, auto exposure metering, set to center. Exposure compensation, you can increase or decrease the exposure. White balance is auto. Flicker is auto. Rotate image 180 degrees, by default is off. Loop recording, default is set to 3 minutes, so this dash cam will continuously record with 3-minute video clips. Once the memory card is full, it will automatically overwrite the oldest file. LDWS detection, that's a lane departure warning system, but to be honest, these features don't work that well on dash cams. Next item down is LDWS calibration. Motion detection, you can turn this on or off for parking mode. Boot sound, you can turn this on or off. Green indicator, this is for the LED status right here. So by default set to GPS, you can change this for mic status, and that's what I'll set this to. G sensor sensitivity. So with the G sensor, while the dash camera is recording, if you get into an accident, it will detect the impact and lock that video clip so it will not be overwritten. Next item, power off delay. So if you want to set a delay for the power off, you can do that. Screen off delay. Right now it's set to 15 seconds. I'm actually going to turn this off. And this is for the screensaver, so while it's recording, it will turn off the LCD after a period of time. GPS stamping, here you can select log only, on or off. Speed stamping, this is nice to have because you might not want to have the speed stamped onto your video. You can have this off or on. Driver number stamping, driver number, date stamping, time stamping, date and time to set your date and time, language selection, format card to format the micro SD card, restore factory default, and firmware version. So this is the software version of this car dash camera. And when you're done, press and hold the up select button to exit. Now if you want to turn the recording back on, press the center button right here, and then the recording will begin. This bottom button here will allow you to lock the video clips. So let's say if you're driving around and you see something happening on a road and you want to lock that video clip so it will not be overwritten, press this button. Now there's a lock icon on the screen, and this 3-minute video clip will be locked. Now if you want to manually turn off the dash cam, there is a power button on the side right here. Press and hold this button for a second. To turn it back on, press the button again. So let's take this to the car, install it, and we'll see the quality of the video recording for both daytime and nighttime. With the double-sided tape, we can install this dash cam directly onto the windshield. Connect the power cable to the dash cam. Run this cable up to your headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug the power adapter into the 12-volt accessory port. When you turn on the ignition, the dash cam will turn on and begin recording. Let me show you how to play back the recorded video along with the GPS data. Now if you plug the memory card into your computer using a card reader and open up the drive for the memory card, you'll see these 3 folders. All the recorded videos are going to be in the DSIM folder right here. There's also a folder called Player. Here you'll find a program called registratorviewer.exe. Open this up. And on my computer, I do get a couple of error messages. Basically, just click No, OK. At the bottom right-hand side, it will automatically load the videos you have from your memory card. You can select any of these files, press play, and it'll play in this window right here. At the bottom, it'll show you the speed you're traveling at, the direction. At the top right hand side, you also have a map, and this map has the cursor moving as you travel along on the road. Here's another video clip. As you can see, a lot of information is being logged. And when you're done reviewing the video, you can press the stop button or pause button. As you can see, this is a great performing dash cam. Considering its size, it records excellent daytime and nighttime recording, has plenty of details, so you can clearly see license plates in front of you. The overall design is very good. It allows you to adjust the camera lens vertically up and down, and along with the two wedge plates, you can also make adjustments to angle the camera left and right. With a GPS antenna, it has the ability to log your driving data, including speed and coordinates. Overall, I think this is a very good dash cam with great features packed in a very small unit. Now, I got this dash cam on gearbest.com, and I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section below. And don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.